This is Teacher William once again. I've now come back with another episode, and this is discussing the items which I left on the other copy, which I told you to little bit research. So there's someone who contacted me and said, Teacher William, please help us and go through question 2 in that very application of logarithms in calculating the decibel, that is sound intensity. At a large school hall in Kampala, students are gathered for assembly. The head teacher begins a very important speech, but as usual, the S4 students at the back are whispering, laughing, and even sharing roasted groundnuts. The head teacher starts calmly, but after noticing the noise, he signals for the microphone and delivers his famous line, "Am I talking to myself?" Immediately, pin drop, silence. So imagine a teacher giving his speech and for you are making noise. So we have some given data here. The given data here, we have student's noise intensity is this one. Head teacher's normal voice when he's now giving his speech is that one. So we also have the head teacher with a microphone. Now here with a microphone, that means that he must emphasize something, caution those ones who are making noise. So the tasks: calculate the sound level of the student's noise, calculate the sound level of the head teacher without the microphone, calculate the sound level with the microphone, that is the head teacher, find the increase in decibels when the microphone is used, explain mathematically why silence was restored instantly. So let us see our calculation. We can use this same page for the calculations. We can use the same page for the calculations, and we can say solution. So looking at the solution there, we shall first start with the student's noise. Student's noise. Now the student's noise, here we are calculating. We shall have from log equals to 10 log of I over I naught base 10. So L equals to 10 log of, we had 4 times 10 exponent times 10 power negative that, then we have 10 power negative 12, the reference intensity base 10. So log equals to, we shall now have 10 log of 4 times 10 power negative 7 plus 12. So we shall now, that's correct our that, shall now have log equals to 10 log of 4 times 10 to power 5 here. So it will reduce to 10 into 0.602 plus 5. And this one will give us the level of sound as 56.02 decibels. So that is the noise which was coming from the students. That was the noise which was coming from the students. That is the sound level. So we shall also find out the sound level which was coming from the teacher without a microphone. The sound which was coming from the teacher without the microphone. So we shall now consider head teacher. Head teacher, no mic is what we are going to calculate the sound intensity. For no mic, we have quoted the formula already. We shall have 10 log of, we have 10 per 7, the reference level of sound equals to 10 log of, we shall now have 10 per 5, giving us 50 decibels. So with the mic, just look at with the mic, the teacher with the mic. If you want to copy the notes, please pause the video and copy the notes. So with the mic, we shall have L equals to 10 log of -4 over -12 log equals to this. So it will push us to 10 power 8, giving us 80 decibels. So we shall have that. So we have increase in decibels. It's going to be the 80 with a microphone minus 50 without a microphone, which will give us 30 dB. So explanation here, we say a 30 dB increases 1000 times more intense. So students had nothing other than keeping quiet. Or we can also give another explanation. Another explanation is there here. We can say students 56 dB were louder than the head teacher 50 dB, making the speech hard to hear. The microphone increased the sound level to 80 dB. The 30 dB increase is a 10 power 3 or 1000 times increase in intensity. The speech became vastly superior to the background noise, commanding instant attention. So that's what we had for today. We have explained that item. There's a student who wanted it so much. So I hope we have cleared your doubt. Thank you so much. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and also give it to your friends also to keep on trying. Thank you so much. Next time we shall come back with the calculations of the magnitude of the earthquake, that is the Richter's scale. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.